Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Anat Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today it is time for paper perk number 82. We are still in the same theme that we used in the last 2 weeks. I just fell in love with that, so I created one more page for us to have fun with. And we are going to make another one-page wonder. Let me show you how it looks. So this is what we're making today. It's a one-page wonder, another one-page wonder envelope pocket insert or standalone project with this fun closure that I'm going to show you how to make. And then you open it, you have one pocket here. You have our bird, then you have 1, 2, and 3 pockets on the inside. So you can stamp this, you can print something on the other side, whatever you want. Of course, you can work different ways with the pockets. You can have diagonal pockets, whatever you want. I'm going to show you how to make this. It's really easy and fun. Let's get started. Okay, so now we can go ahead and start folding. This side is going to be white. You can print anything you want on it if you want, but I just left it like this. So we're going to fold this around here. Let's bring my bone folder. And then we're going to fold the top, and we want to slightly overlap, maybe like less than ½ inch. Make sure you align it like this. And then we're going to fold this around to 1/3. No, maybe even less than 1/3. This, and then going to fold the other side and again have it overlap slightly. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 squares, rectangles. We're going to cut all the pieces out, all the corners out. You can do this with your trimmer. I'm just going to use my scissors. It's not very accurate, but we're going to clean all that later. Just cut, or we can do this with a craft knife too. Well, the thing is, we're going to lose her head, but don't worry about that. Lose the bird's head. Okay, we're going to keep these, and we're going to have a pocket in here. So I'm just going to have slightly angled cut here and here, so it won't interfere with the closure, like that. Okay, now we have pieces to play with. So we're going to make a pocket here, and we're going to make a pocket here. So I just want, you know what, we'll make it here, and then we'll have this complementing the shape. And I'm going to have this here, like that. So we'll have the word create, and I'm just going to ink this. We're going to ink everything before we glue it. Okay, so I have inked everything, and I want to punch out half this. I'm using 1 inch circle punch. I'm just gonna eyeball it. If you want, you can mark. I'm not going to do this here because it's going to ruin the create. So what we're going to do, we're going to have, not going to have that punched out. I'm thinking maybe, no, we're gonna leave it like that. So let's apply glue here. If you're making it with, this is just, you know, a demonstration. So if you are making this with a different paper, obviously you can go ahead and do that. Apply glue on 3 sides for this pocket here. I'm just going to align it with this edge here so it won't interfere with the fold. And then I'm going to clean this. Told you it wasn't straight. That's okay. And then the other side, right, left, and bottom. I love these 1-page wonder pieces. Always a lot of fun to make. Okay, you can stamp this, you can print on the other side, whatever you want. Basically, now you can insert anything. So what I thought I would do, since this girl had lost her head, I thought I'm going to have another tiny little pocket here. Because I want her head. And she wants her head, so I'm just going to have a side pocket. And this way we'll use everything, all the parts that we need. This is not very straight. We need it to be straight, otherwise this will not fold. So let's make sure that we align in this with her. So 3 sides, not where the opening is. And then we're going to align her with her head. Make sure it opens up, and if you need to clean the cuts here, just go ahead, remove all the excess. Okay, so now it looks really pretty. Next, I want to make the closure. So I'm just going to punch out this. I still have this. You can have other tags, but I want this for my closure. So I need 2 1-inch circles. And this fits perfectly. And I need a brad and a piece of twine. I'm going to ink the edges real quick here. Now we are going to have this. It's It's going to close like this, close like this, close like this. I'm going to roughly put that in the middle, just eyeball it. Hope for the best. Yes. Thing is, okay, so this can't be a pocket if we are going to insert things in it. So, just going to remove this first. This is what happens when you do things without thinking. That's okay. So I'm just going to put this first. This has a brad and a brad. So I'm just going to put this first, and then I'm going to attach the pocket. So we're going to attach this, have the legs opened. We're going to attach this to the other side so the brad won't move here and there. Let's make sure that this is the right direction. Okay. Now, we already punched a hole, so it's okay. Her head is still okay. Okay, now let's bring our twine. Just going to tie a knot. And then another one, just to be on the safe side. And then just going to cut this so this is not visible. The other, and now when we close this, we can go around 1, 2 times, I think will be enough, and have this closed like this. Don't need this long. Okay, so I really hope that you like this. Move the camera slightly closer. I really like how it turned out. So, thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget to go ahead and grab the freebie. There's a link in the description under the video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.